Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nusra Fazal, consultant pathologist at Redcliffe Labs in Meerut. We have Arba 560 Elite here. It is a 5-part hematology analyzer and I am quite satisfied with the results, because the main thing for the consultant pathologist is that the machine should be able to do differential as well as the platelet count. So as far as I have experienced, the DLC is up to the mark. And regarding platelet, it's just because of the size when it matters. Otherwise, the counts are more or less reliable. So I am highly satisfied with this one. Also, the results are precise. Like if I test them again, so they give more or less a similar value. And the speed is very nice. In an hour, I think 80 tests approximately the machine can give very easily. Also, it is very cost effective, and daily we are running approximately 500 sample on an average, and without any rest to the machine. That is, next we have our coagulation meter, which we have ECL 105. That is for our coagulation studies, in which we do PT, INR testing and APTT. So all the results are very nice. I am satisfied with these results also. We are using for urine also, we are using LoRa V2. It is very good machine, because so these are the 3 machines. Next we are using Cube 30 Touch for ESR. So although ESR can be done in manually also very easily, but it is a very tiring and very long procedure. For 1 hour you have to make the tube stand in the same vertical position, which is a bit it will engage one person for 1 hour. So that is a bit difficult in this scenario, especially in corporate hospitals. So the best thing is that we load 30 samples, and again as the results come out, we keep on adding the samples. So this is the best advantage. Also, we are using biochemistry, which is XL 640 here. We have 2 machines of XL 640, newer one and one the older one. So the results are good. Machine is very nice, I must say. On even my one call or one mail, multiple people come here along with their seniors, juniors, and they just handle my query easily. So that is a big advantage. They are working on it. I am satisfied with it, because as far as I have used the machine, this is the best one I can say. One more machine we are using, that is for ELISA. It is named as ELISA Scan EM. So in that we can go for antibodies, like when dengue season is there, we go for IgM, IgG to look for the titers, as well as for triple markers antibodies. So I will highly recommend Arba for anyone who is doing a startup or anyone who is already running some other machines. You must at least try it once and you will thank me later. Thank you so much.